We got one selected for this resort from the and it's in Oucherios. And now we have waistline boom. Waistline boom. Yeah. Come right here, waistline boom.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Grenade! Waistline boom.
Waistline boom.
From the
Extend family.
Yeah.
One love. Family.
One love.
Straight.
One
love. Extend family there.
Yeah.
Nah, it's one the
Yeah, straight. We got one selected for this resort from the and it's in Oucherios. You know? And we have one member. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. A beer out of it. Din 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 din. And we have waistline boom. Waistline boom. Yeah. Come right here, waistline boom. Yeah. So big. I'll cheer, put that for your boom. Wow. Look at power of applause. I'll give my
Yeah. Blessed, one love.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
It's been, that's how we say, dream team. That's the only reason why we have to support each other. So, boom, how you feel?
Feel happy I'm not reaching. Rasta Messi. Yeah man, there man.
Rasta Messi.
Yeah man, there man.
You see the journey?
Yeah.
Resort?
Yeah man.
You ready?
Ready and wait.
Hey, so fans, Rasta Jack said I have sleepless night. And sleepless night, I think you could have wait for this day.
Yeah man, you will just come and say I'm ready and can't be say I'm at 8 o'clock you know, make sure that I eat and wait you know.
Yes, you're ready from early and waiting.
Yeah man.
Alright, so we're going to take them on the journey.
blessing, man. One love to Oliver and CARLA.
That's the messy. In Ochi.
Ochi.
Ochi, you know.
Ochi.
So we're here in Ochi now. Just make a little stop. You know, if you want a foot break. Yes, sir. We do a foot break. GG, man, team, our extended family. Wasteland, boom. We're out here, we're out there. Yeah. The blessings to all the members, them. See you again. Aight.
With them vocals,
You made it, my brother. You made it. I heard you're excited, man. Hey, man, what's going on,
Them
Kino?
vocals.
Huh?
I hear them vocals. I have to go give them back again, you know, very soon.
It's one of my guys, you know. James Brown.
James Brown. Me hear him, man, and say, wow, they have vocals, because even Jackie over there.
Yeah.
Times of people are calling Jackie over there, you know. So the man I look, him man, Jackie. See there, Jackie?
Jackie.
Yeah. Yes, singer. Yes, Oliver.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
I love the look.
Glad to have you, man.
This look classy already, Diana. The third minute is 2
It's a
days.
long time coming. You didn't know you were going to make it, huh?
Boom say no sleepless night.
I saw you put in some work and I wanted to get you up, but everybody deserves to come, you know? But I wanted to get you some time by yourself. With not too many people, you know, because you're a reserved guy, you're a quiet guy. And I don't want somebody personality to overshadow you. I just want you to come and
tell my brethren, say, I told me a man never and I say, a man let me alone. I say, man, same thing, yeah.
I wish I could take everybody, you know.
But, you know,
Everybody deserves to be here. I'm not trying to eliminate anyone.
No.
I try to usually get the people who I know from what I've seen, you know, put in a lot of work. So there may be other people more deserving, but I can only go by what I say, you know. But like I said, everybody deserves to get a trip.
And Kino say, boom, do that, them know, I'm not let them do.
Oh, we know.
Trust.
Even though I knew that you were chosen, I was so excited, you know, when Kino announced your name and all your other teammates were just so, you know, happy. I was hoping you should see me now. I was like, you think I didn't know, you know, but I was happy.
I'm saying, everybody I look for me, I say, come like feet, say, I'm me, you know.
Yeah, boom say everybody look for myself.
You know, me personally, I know you guys like to hang out and go to party, and I go to my bed. But they have a lot of that going on here, not only in the resort, but on the outside. You know, there's a lot of places you can go, and there's a lot of things for tourists, you know. You got Duns River down here, you got Kino Falls over here, you got the rides up in the mountains over here. There's a lot of stuff going on, you know.
Mystic Mountain.
Yes.
Mystic Mountains right over here. So you know, if you want to go outside, we could take a ride. But knowing you, you're not gonna leave the pool and the beach, right?
I'm not going to come, man.
Anyway, boo.
I'm my experience.
Everything, right?
Yeah, first my experience.
I think you're gonna have a good time, man. Come prepared to eat. There's a lot of food here.
I'm sure the roast chef must have told you about
Yeah, man.
right?
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go through that passage right here. Take a look. There's an elevator. We're gonna take it upstairs one flight, and then we're gonna check it on that one right.
You got one flight. Once. Twice.
So we're gonna do it twice.
Jackie, you realize.
Sure.
No, but we listen to music, but we never do it.
So alright, I gotta figure out who's jumping.
Yeah.
Hey, I got ready.
I'm here, I'm ready.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's go do some checking.
Yeah. So we got a new video man. Today. You don't want that, you know? So big up to the new video man. Thank you so much, Oliver and Carla. You know, thank you for having us. You know, I'm camera free today.
So happy to have you guys here.
Yeah,
Very happy.
Very happy. Too bad they cannot see the cameraman. You know the great Oliver already, right?
Yeah, book Kino, yeah. I'm fine.
Cheers. Cheers to my water. Yeah. We're gonna do it.
Hey, you leaving? Oh, coming up.
It's alright, man. It's alright, man.
Alright, hope to see you luck again soon, alright? Appreciate that. You want a straw?
No, that's true.
Yes, last time I see.
Hey, safe travel, alright? Welcome. He's alright out there.
Right about now, it's time to get ready. Yeah, as I said before, it's all about your crazy time game. This one is a drum tutorial. Yeah, man, something simple and easy for the people. Nothing.
Ready for the sail. There's a cruise ship next.
Yeah, cruise ship next.
Ready for the sail.
Ready for the sail right now.
They are meaning with the dolphins.
Yeah. There, man. There, fun.
Yes, welcome.
Reserve. Yeah.
Well chill.
Yeah, well chill. Is it?
That's the first minute because that's an hour yet.
Next first minute, I think. I drink some pineapple juice. See me there? Warm me and warm up. Yeah.
Sure.
When it's green, when it beeps, then it turns.
Yes,
Turn it. You gotta know to do it, so
Jeez. Watch it, I was gonna put it on. Jeez! Jeez!
The welcome wine.
Yeah, the welcome wine. You say, woo! Can't walk. You say, say your favorite.
Yeah, I want to go and sit down next to look like. Yeah. Proud and
You never know. No, we like this. Love this. Jeez! Jeez! That one. Jeez!
There you go, bro.
Jeez!
Oh, bring it back.
Enjoy yourself.
yeah, man.
Jeez!
Let me go get the bag.
Yeah.
Bring it back.
Jeez!
So boom.
One.
Yeah, go on and show him what's going on. With your welcome wine, boom.
Walk in.
Yes, sir. And pop off. They trick us.
And then they have this to open the car.
Jeez!
Welcome wine, yeah.
Yeah, welcome. Welcome.
Bless it,
Hey, boom, let me get a drink, man.
Yeah, man.
Hook a brother up.
Yeah, man.
Can't be that stingy, man. You gotta share some of this stuff. There you go, man.
Glass. Yes, sir. You'll get my glass, man. Sure. You know the thing, man. Whoa. We are using Ocean Vice right now. We don't know. We're renting Vice. Whoa. We're renting Vice. Whoa.
Yeah,
Oliver. See there? Whoa.
Yes, sir.
We're renting the whole
Save one of them
Vice.
cheers.
Yeah, man.
You know, we'll see everyone for car. Car, shall we go car?
Now, this is a real view, boy. You got here. Nice.
Yeah, it is.
Gotta welcome Boom in the way, right?
Welcome to the club.
Cheers.
Welcome to the resort club.
Cheers.
Carla, check out their view, man.
Cheers. Check out the view, Carla.
Love
Check
it.
out the view. It's
I
beautiful.
love it. Oh my
Don't
God.
lean on that thing, okay?
Can't never Oliver make it.
I don't know what they put there, so
You see everything.
don't lean on that.
Boom, I can't wait for you to enjoy the sunset and the sunrise. It's awesome.
Sunset right over here.
Yes.
So the sun there, so now about end. So later on over there, some people.
Just so you know, the sun doesn't move, it's the earth.
Yo, you get it twice.
Yeah, man.
You get it twice.
Jeez!
Him get it twice. Nah.
And there's an ice bucket there, so if you need
Oh.
ice, down the corridor,
Oh, for
I
this?
think by the elevator, you'll see they have the ice machine. And you just fill that up and
Get the ice.
Yes, get your-
Wow. So this is they put the ice in.
Yeah, bring your bucket to get the ice.
Check. Well. Dream team, one team.
Dream
team, one team, only team. That we don't make
Don't get too nice. You know?
Yeah.
No.
Boom, that one they look well nice. Alright, I got my lie. Carla, you see what going?
Wine,
Wine.
Coca-Cola, wine. Wine, Coca-Cola, and rum. Oh my good Lord, boy, you good?
rum, the wine tastes sweet, you know, it tastes nice. Still, you know.
Yeah.
They have flavor night, I'm like, you can taste the fruits.
Well, I just love that view behind you, Carla.
Okay. Can't get enough of this, right?
Right, that view where Boom say, yo.
You gotta be careful there, man.
Yeah. the view. So we're here again.
Yeah.
With another wonderful experience.
The drink I'm feel sweet. I want nothing, that's come what I lay down and go baby.
So we're gonna have lunch right now.
Yeah, no.
Kino, after the job, Boom, I'm making the party scene.
Kino.
Yeah.
Well, you don't know this, right? But Kino loved Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Max has a show tonight.
And we have a Michael Jackson show tonight. That's why I'm at this resort. Because I was checking around and I asked him to say, "What's the entertainment list?" And everybody's telling different things. And one guy said, "Oh, we have Michael Jackson." I said, "Woo, good."
Bang on.
So
Bang on.
You know,
You grew up where I look with that Michael Jackson.
Alright, there you go.
I love it,
so you enjoy tonight because we have Michael Jackson.
watch it, man.
Yes, man.
Anything.
Alright, so right now, anything and anything.
Yeah.
You stay there, Boom, love Michael Jackson. You forgot to him friend, Rasta Jackson.
oh,
Michael Jackson, Rasta Jackson, and the CM Jackson, you know.
big up to Rasta
Jackson.
Jackson and all the other team members.
All the members there. All the members.
Love always.
No different.
I'm gonna live America.
No difference here. We all grew up with that era of music, you know, Michael and different people.
Well, yeah, we're gonna start the show different this time, you know. You know, normally Oliver, they give a package, you know, first. Yeah, but this time we're gonna share our blessings first. Cause Esther, we got Esther, aka Bumming Ball. You know, Esther, aka Bumming Ball.
Big up Esther.
Send gifts for Oliver and Carla.
What
Oh
kind
my
of
gosh,
gift
let me
is
So-
go down here.
Let me see now. Let me use it first. We're gonna let this now. So you got Oliver, and you got Carla.
Oh my goodness.
You get Hold on. That's you?
Yeah.
How you look so light?
Wait, where did Esther go to get? That's me.
Yeah, that's you. So that's,
You know,
Oh my goodness.
that's Diane.
I don't know where she get this picture from.
That's you, Ollie.
That's the program.
Yeah,
Because
I think that's Hilton.
Wow. Oh my God.
because I never looked this good.
Well, I'm going first. Esther, thank you
Yeah.
so much. This is so
Wow.
beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
I really appreciate this.
Yeah, look just exactly. This is bang on.
I know.
Yeah.
You did an awesome job.
Oliver said never look this good.
I never looked good.
Oliver chubby.
I know it.
You know, at first I thought it was going to say Dream Team.
No.
Because I've always thought of myself as a Dream Team member, but this is excellent.
This is more than Dream Team.
You know,
It's a live team, say man.
I'll tell you something. Some time ago, I told Esther my size when she was in New York.
Yeah.
And I said, Esther, I'm an extra large guy. I'm kind of fat. I'd like a t-shirt, you know, as a gift. But I'll take this over that anytime.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Help her. Yeah.
Put yours on first.
Yeah.
I'm going to wear this around.
You want me to put it on? For
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, so we can see.
Yeah, I just want to look at it.
Jeez. Let's see if it's really Oliver. Really
Yeah.
It's just like him.
look younger.
Well, I know.
I wonder if this is when he was
Like you in
16.
your 20s.
You know,
Really?
it looked like something I go on for me, and I'm
Yes, sir. You can see man, things that go on, man, and Diana won.
I know.
Look at Diana won.
This
See
is,
me.
I'm just like so surprised right now. Like, wow.
I don't know if I can wear a picture of myself around my chest. People
Put
might,
it on. I see how you look.
but I'll put it on for a while, and when
Definitely can.
I'll wear it when I'm feeling vain.
Yeah.
Put mine on.
But you know,
Black.
Esther, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate this. I love the thoughtfulness. You know, you didn't
Yeah.
have to, so I really appreciate it.
This is a surprise, you know.
Molly.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Do I look good with me
Of
on me?
course, Oliver wearing him. You see, at least you shouldn't wear no Nike. At least you wear your own brand,
Yeah.
Oliver. You know, so everyone should be wearing the Oliver brand now.
I won't. I had Nike before I had my own brand.
So no.
So now that I have my own brand, I'm gonna walk around with
Gee,
my brand and that Nike brand.
Oliver, that
Thank you.
Bad.
And look at that.
Bad. Look at the mirror. Look at the glass.
Looking like a celebrity now.
Yeah, look at that. It says Oliver over there.
Shut
Appreciate it, man. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I really like it.
What about Carla over there?
Carla
Oh,
one.
you
just
really get to the
CARLA one. You see, we kind of do it a bit different today, you know, because Esther sent the spice.
Yes.
You know, the spice, the surprise.
Esther, thank you very much.
It's not the large T-shirt, but it's a large chain.
This is nicer than the large T-shirt.
I think that's better than the Wow Chef chain, you know. Wow.
Yeah, you know, with the large T-shirt,
Send me
you
that now.
just walk somewhere and pick it up.
Oh, fix that for her there for me, please.
This takes some thought, you know, some consideration.
That is true.
A large T-shirt, you just go in and you look at the size and you pick one up. But this says, got my picture in there.
Yeah.
And my name.
And she really got dig up that picture there from, I think this is pictures from the Hilton.
I'll tell you
I
something,
guess
man. To find a picture that looks this good takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
Because I never take pictures that looks good. You know what I mean?
Alright,
So
sis.
to find one.
You ready for Diana now?
You know,
Jeez.
there I am. Hey.
Let me get the light in there. Alright, come this way. Okay.
Simia Esther.
Jeez.
Simia now.
So we have two CARLA. We have CARLA up here and CARLA on the chest.
Appreciate it. Thank you so
Like
much.
this, so
Oh yeah. Simia there.
Yeah. See ya
Thank you
there.
so much. I really appreciate the thoughtfulness, man.
The
Like
smile
Ali
as
said.
He's got the same smile. He got that same smile.
Yeah, I love it.
I got Oliver same look.
Oh yeah, man, look at that right there.
It's the same look.
I've never looked this good before.
He looks
never
banging.
looked this good.
He looks like a different Oliver.
I really love it.
That's not
That is
Photoshop,
you.
right?
That is
Not Photoshop. Never tell me I look this good sometimes.
I'm sorry. You look like that all the time. All the time.
That's pushing it.
Yes,
I really
Esther.
appreciate it. Thank you so much, Esther.
Yeah,
Love always.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much because you brought them out now, you know, the ghetto people them back, you know. Yeah, make them out wear bling bling now, you know. You know.
Let me tell you something, man. This shirt and this pants and the shoes and the hat, I'm trying to keep up with you, Kino.
Yeah.
And the trench tone tee.
Yeah,
I used to dress like a dork, but now I'm hip.
Yeah.
You know, I'm down with the trench tone thing, and I got it all together now. You know, me and Boom, we can walk out, and people can't tell the difference.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they can't tell the difference. Don't think because show my
I used to
junkie
be a nerd, but now I'm hip and I'm down with everything. You know what I'm saying? I got everything going on. You know what I'm saying? I work hard on my image. You know. Before I didn't care, but once I get in contact with the Dream Team,
That's
and
it.
I see Ali and all them guys there all in dress,
Yeah.
and, you know, I can't do everything they do because I look stupid doing it, but I do some of
You
the
do some.
stuff, you know. So I'm happy.
It works well. It works well, right, Diana?
Absolutely.
It works well.
Hey,
It
Mom,
works good.
I'm gonna tell you this, man. It's tradition. If you come on this trip, if you're selected for this trip, we bring you a little package.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna present you with a package. You probably won't do it.
Yeah.
Boom.
So we got boom. Come here, boom. Presentation.
Yeah, definitely.
For all you do,
Go there, boom. Go on there.
for the help
That one
that
Ali
you-
first, please.
Oh, you want this one first?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm with you anyone, but you know, she wants to do it this way. I always let my girl get what she wants. Right? For all that you do, I can't call the names, you know, from Willie Bob, from Jin Jin, from Tisha, and I think now you're on
Miss Donna
and her kids. You know, when I see you on the program, I don't realize how small a guy you are.
You couldn't believe your talent.
Can I tell you something? Why I can't believe that you're such a small guy. You're not overly small, but I'm just saying that the amount of work that you put in, okay? It defies your size. You put a lot of work in for a man and your size. And Carla and I, we watch the program, we appreciate what you're doing. Every time I see Miss Donna, just the same way I felt when I see Natisha, Willie Bob, and Jin Jin, and you know, and so many people, and some still haven't gotten the help and whatnot. And I don't know your personal position. I don't know where you live, how you live, but I can tell you this. I know you're not living on Beverly Hills. No. But you take the time out to come and help. And like most people in Dream Team that are given help, they themselves need help. And I tell you what, I don't want to get too far into it, and I'm not going to, but
I'm crying without I'm crying, man.
When I see someone someone like Mother Teresa that I love and respect, and she means so much to me and so much to so many other people, and then to see her situation and her struggle, you know, it just hits home. You know, there's so much angles to this thing, you know. Some of us just barely got out from where we are and making a difference for ourselves, and we can go back and make a difference for somebody, you know. We can't do everything for them, but sometimes we can make them feel better. But anyway, let me cut all of that. Boom, this is your package. We hope you like what's in there.
Yes, sir.
This is something that we always provide, you know, little shorts and stuff that you can wear around the resort and enjoy yourself and whatnot.
Like a real fire.
Before you say anything or do anything, this young lady here, she puts a lot of work as usual into buying you some stuff, and you know, make sure that you have a good time here, and hope you enjoy the package.
The only thing I gotta add is, as the back sit on the front, shine on.
Shine on.
We always see you as someone that's just shining.
Always smiling.
I just say, you know what, just continue to shine on, just continue to just do it good, and just know that we appreciate you always.
One thing I want to add, right?
Always.
I want to add something, not much, but with Boom, because of his personality, his low-key personality, it doesn't mean that he's weak. He's a strong man, because you measure strength by a person's ability and understanding that, you know, you do what's right for other people. That's how you measure strength, not your muscular strength. You know what I mean? I didn't want to bring him out with too many other people. I want him to be himself. He's a noble man. He's a quiet man, he's a reserved man, and he deserves to be by himself to do what he wants to do when he wants to do. So I don't try to pack him up with people. I could throw a lot more people in there to save money. But I respect the man.
True, man, true.
Here,
you got another one.
Some attires in here. I don't want to take them on, but you can take them on the show.
Yeah, man, you can show them what go on. You can show them what go on. Me knows on the camera, knows it.
You're welcome, man.
Yes, sir. You know who knows on the camera, knows it. I know what go on.
Show off a little bit what you got going on.
Yeah, man.
And I'm going to take that opportunity to get out of the way.
Boom. Man, blinging. Jeez.
I try to make you look blingy, man. Is that
Adidas. Jeez. So what's the next bag?
Well,
jump in the next bag too, you know.
That top one.
Jump in the next bag.
That shirt I'm seeing on top.
That match this.
You'll be matching. So
you'll be matching.
You'll be styled.
Yeah. Chelsea blue.
Whoa. No, I'm a ball in there.
Whoa. Just look there, man. You have the man.
If you keep this up, we're going to change the name.
You have the man shed tears, man. You have the man shed
Yeah,
tears.
can't go tell them CARLA, bam.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, make boom eye full of tears, man.
I make a ball in a
Unless it's tears of joy. But
tears of joy.
Tears of
all
joy.
the tears.
Yeah,
You don't have to go through the entire wardrobe.
Yeah, right? Don't.
me no want them sit. Much of them sit on the camera, you know?
Yo, camera look fast, you know, beef, so you say. Everybody say, wow, chef, for everybody.
Alright.
We are digging. Whoa. Alright, enough expose. Oh, it'll be a long day.
Long day.
It's gonna be a long day.
Just know that we appreciate you.
I'm not know for thank you, you know, I tell you the truth.
You already have. You don't have to thank us about anything, okay?
Alright, work show it.
There you go.
Work show
We
it.
already did it.
Alright.
Okay?
Work show it.
You're not here for our thanks. We're here to honor you.
Alright.
True.
You have taken yourself with your challenges, your personal challenges, to help other people.
Yeah,
So you don't owe us anything. We're thanking you. We're thanking you for being a decent human being. We're thanking you for being a kind human being. For helping people even though you yourself may need help.
I'm look for inside that, I'm not on earth for help that Almighty put me on earth for. I'm not come to destroy human being. I am come to help the human being.
If most of us think like that, it would be a little bit better for us all.
I tell my father that's real.
Jaja,
I want a full man.
Yeah, they can see it, you know.
Joy. Yeah, man. I force me to live them life.
You
Yeah.
going to the pool today?
You inside the first, it might
You
be
got your
this.
shorts for the pool today.
Yeah, man.
Let me see the shorts.
It's in the bottom somewhere.
Because, book.
Yeah.
Don't put your shorts on because when we leave here, you ain't coming back. We're going to the pool. We're going to have lunch by the pool.
Yeah. So put on shorts.
Yes,
Your shorts and flip-flop and everything.
everything.
It looks small, but it's packed.
It's packed.
Alright.
Well packed.
You see I'm packing it?
Oliver, as in can explain to him, never experienced anything like this. You know, never.
It's well worth it, you know.
You gonna wear this one to the beach?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
I want that suit pants too.
It's a long time.
Long time I want that suit pants, man. And I really like to Adidas.
Oh.
Long more Adidas script.
Yeah.
True, me I tell you from my heart.
What? Look at that. Well, we're glad that, you know, we make at least one of your dream
True.
Yeah. It's a blessing, man. We're glad that can happen, you know. One more of the members, them, you know, experience where you will never forget.
I'll tell you something, man. I enjoy being around CARLA all these years. My wife, my partner, she's my backbone.
Everything.
Without her, my life wouldn't be what it is. But with all that said, it's always a pleasure having members of the dream team with us.
Yeah.
You know, it gives a little flavor.
Yeah, man, I really appreciate to be here, you know, really appreciate, you know.
So as satisfied as I am with her, I like having you guys here too.
Of course, man. I was more than satisfied.
That's what we put in you.
Yeah.
That's what we're Yeah, man.
Yes, I mean, swimming.
And we're going to the beach. We're going to have lunch and on the beach together. So we're having lunch and we're on the beach together. So
Okay, so you must make one thing and change. Yeah, man.
Is that watch waterproof?
No.
Get rid of it. We're going to the beach.
Yeah. Get rid of it. Yeah, man. So we'll give thanks.
You see, I watch like the white lady, you know, for a gift, you know, Maxon.
So I'm more gifts for gift.
Yeah, she her father girl forgive me.
Wow, that's
she
nice.
Texas.
That's nice.
So that's gifts for gifts.
She look picture and she come take picture and see me and take her to me. And we tour her all about everywhere. She come and give me the things she can change down.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what, man? I'm coming up here tonight and I'm going to hang out with you guys.
Of course.
I love the view, you guys.
Of course.
Yeah, right?
Of course. Yeah, man. This is the view. This is the spot tonight. Where's your CARLA?
Absolutely.
It is the spot, man.
You like what's there, bro?
Like love. Shots, man, mash up on my too nice shots, everything on my
Yeah. See it there. Yeah. Boom say don't know what put there. Yeah. Cause I got lunch and pool. Yeah. Alright.
One day, I put this in there.
Yeah. There you go, man. Shine on.
Yeah.
It's a shine on.
That's the hit right there.
Just keep shining on, boom. Keep shining. Keep shining. So give thanks. So we say lunch. Let's all about lunch, pool, beach, kayaking, you name it. Anything.
You're a kind and graceful human being. And that is becoming more and more rare in human beings. So it's good to see someone like you that's humble, kind, giving, and not looking for front page.
True.
You know, you just humble and you do what you need.
Yeah, true.
And you might think that we're not seeing it, and you might think that other people don't see it.
Other people see it. True.
And you are appreciated and loved for what you do.
So all my think, me never say human being. Me nah look for praise. Me say Almighty, me I do it for. But Almighty send uno for come.
We're just the messenger of your thoughts. You know what I'm saying?
We and other extended families.
I know human being, me I do it for, and a father, me I do it for. Yeah.
That's totally acceptable.
Yeah.
And
I'm at that school in the next security down there, the principal. Them don't love them like how them love me. And them come in a man time, they don't drink no tea and nothing, them lock them out and around them. He made them buy things for eat and can't learn from hunger belly. You see me there? So them love me. You see me there? Yeah, man. Love them, I'm the last and give them.
I know that you've studied science with me today.
Yes, sir.
And you've studied math with me today. You can go back and teach them kids some more stuff.
Of course.
You know, I'm just joking, but
I have a niece go down there, I have a party like a whole around a yard, enough people in a yard to come down there. I have to take care of the whole of them. Carry them all, they are cheer them, carry them yard. School home, carry them out of yard.
you're a humble man, though, man.
Very.
You're respected for humility and that you know, your humility, and we appreciate it. You know what I mean? And sometimes people feel like if they're not rah and front page and not being seen, but people see it.
True.
You know?
True. I always say it to you, I always say it.
Why the auntie come down and the auntie say, boom. She give like that thing, you see? And she say, boom, your thing dead, don't see where I do already. So I know say for real people, I see them.
Of course, you got people watching.
And the money me I do it for them, see that too, and money love for me.
See, they're trying up somebody. I will give thanks. I will give thanks to our Oliver and CARLA, you know, our extended family. So boom say I'm ready now for God the beach. I'm gonna change up now.
Everything I got Chris.
Alright, brand new, fresh.
We all depend on the changing us tonight. We're coming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming, hey, jamming right straight from God. I say, holy Hosanna, seated in Mount Zion. Heroes of the nation, yes. We keep it coming, we keep it coming, we keep it coming, jamming, we keep it coming. I wanna jam it with you. I wanna jam it with you. We jump, jamming in the name of the Lord. Keep jamming, yeah. Listen, the truth in the eye, I love fire to keep us satisfied. Love not no existence, to love I can't resist.
Rasta Messi.
Yeah, man, they're on the resort, you see? Walk down the resort, you see me there? All the CARLA.
Loving it so far.
Yeah, I love it, I cook food.
Yeah. Jerk. Gonna get jerk.
Yes, Bob. Yeah.
Yeah, what a nice face, all the cool, all the cool.
Cool.
All the feel sweet.
I threw you under the AC, make your fingers say you're cool.
Yeah, that. Oh, the nice one.
Oh.
Nice.
Two gap and two big blades everywhere. And four.
See, like Jack Cure.
Jack Cure. I'm going to jacuzzi when we're done.
Yeah. Well cozy.
Well cozy hot water bath.
In a the jacuzzi.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Florida.
Yeah. It's a Florida,
Florida, man. Yeah.
Right, I know.
Right, I know.
Man is in Florida.
Yeah.
The chess boom in Florida. Yes. Show them Florida. Florida. Yeah, when you swim in Florida. Show them how you swim in Florida, boom.
Florida. Elevator, when I go down here, yeah. Dinner.
I mean.
Yeah.
Boom the builder.
And this is
Kino life in Jamaica. Nice to meet you, sir.
That's it, sir. That's it.
Okay, so we're not gonna sleep tonight, outside or inside? Inside, brother, no problem. Watch out now. You see it live in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.